Hello there and welcome back. Whether you're young or young at heart, grief and loneliness touch us all. But today, we're focusing on our seniors, our parents, grandparents, or even the little lady down the street. When someone loses their spouse, close friends, or family members, they don't just lose people. They lose the connection that makes life feel worthwhile. So, let's talk about it. Imagine this. You lose your partner of 30, 40, or even 50 years. The friends you used to spend time with are no longer around. Suddenly, the social circle you've known for decades has gotten really small. That's not just a little loneliness, that's a lot of loneliness. And to be honest, it's pretty isolating. For us, a quick text or video call keeps us connected. But for seniors, those spontaneous check-ins start to fade. Think of it like this. For them, it's like living in a never-ending life in quarantine. If you felt the impact of the pandemic, imagine living that feeling every single day. What makes this even more serious is that isolation isn't just an emotional thing, it has real physical consequences. Studies show that loneliness can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and even dementia. It's like your body feels the absence just as much as your mind. But here's where we come in. Whether you're 20 or 70, we humans need human connection. Even with the constant improvement with AI on the scene, at the end of the day, we crave human connection. You might not think a text or quick phone call could make a difference, but trust me, it's more powerful than you know, especially for seniors. Something as simple as a friendly "how you doing" can make them feel seen and appreciated. Here's what we can do. Reach out. You want to know how? Organize a Zoom call with your grandparents or the little elderly lady down the street. Drop in for a quick chat. Share a meme, send a postcard, or how about teaching them how to use TikTok? It will absolutely make their day. And truth be told, you just might learn something too. Loneliness is tough, but we can all do something about it. Let's start today by reaching out to someone who might be feeling alone. You've got the power to make a difference, not just for them, but for yourself too. There's so much to learn and appreciate from talking to our seniors. Who haven't you talked to in a while? Now is a good time to check in. If you have any questions about grief, loss, or anything related, let us know in the comments and we can continue the conversation. Don't forget to reach out to someone today. See you next time.